Good morning, student. Now I am going to start my new topic, types of chemical reaction. In this chemical reaction, I am going to express. Now I am going to start one by one these types of chemical reaction. First, combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. Fourth, double displacement reaction. And fifth, oxidation and reduction reaction. First of all, combination reaction. In this reaction, now I try to explain this reaction. Those reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance are called combination reactions. Means, dear student, वैसे reactions जो दो या दो से ज्यादा means two or more than two reactants combine each other and forms single product, gives only one product. These types of reactions are known as combination reactions. In this reaction, I am explaining different types of reactions, means different examples. First example, when ammonia gas reacts with hydrogen chloride gas. When ammonia gas is react with hydrogen chloride gas, then it forms ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Okay. Here I want to explain ammonia. When ammonia reacts with hydrogen chloride, means two or more than two reactants combine together and forms single product. Okay. Next example, when carbon monoxide gas is reacted to oxygen gas, then it forms carbon dioxide. Here also, these reactions also gives us information when carbon dioxide and oxygen are both reactants and combine together and gives a single product. Now, next example, when calcium oxide means lime or quicklime. So when quicklime reacts with water, then it forms calcium hydroxide, means lime water. Here also it gives single product. Means we can say that all these examples belongs to combination reaction. And next, when iron reacts with chlorine gas, it forms ferric chloride. It is also a combination reaction. Next, sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen and it also forms sulfur trioxide. Okay? Dear students, all these reactions gives an important information that whole reactants combine and form only one substance, means only one product. Okay. All these reactions belongs to combination reaction. Dear students, now I am going to explain only one notes. Combination reactions are quite often known as synthesis. इस रिएक्शंस को हम लोग सिंथेसिस भी कहते हैं. क्यों? इसलिए कि all the compounds which are formed as a result of this combination reactions are actually synthesized. इसमें whole reactions synthesize होकर के और तब जाकर के ये single product form करते हैं. Dear students, now I am going to explain next reaction, and another reaction is decomposition reaction. In these reactions, those reactions in which a compound splits up into two or more simpler substances are known as decomposition reaction. Here, dear student, now I am represent it in Hindi. Those reactions in which a compound means वैसे reactions जिनमें single reactant in the presence of some catalyst or some materials, some conditions, with the help of these conditions single compound decomposes means break down into two or more compounds. Dear students, in these reactions represent single reactant decomposes and it forms two or more than two products, gives two or more than two products. For example, calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate is heated, it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Means here single reactant gives two or more compound or products. Okay, here heat is necessary. Next example, potassium chlorate. When potassium chlorate is heated, then it breaks into two or more substance, means potassium chloride and oxygen gas. Here also this reaction is represent also decomposition reaction. Now third example, ferrous sulfate. When ferrous sulfate is also breaks into different products, means ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and also sulfur trioxide. Here three compounds are formed. In above examples only two substances are formed, but in this reaction three substances are formed. Means after decomposition, ferrous sulfate decomposes into three substances. Now next example, when water is electrolysis, means when we passes an electric current into water, it breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. Next, when silver chloride decomposes in the presence of sunlight, it gives silver and chlorine also. And now next example, silver bromide is decomposes in the presence of sunlight, it gives silver and also bromine. These reactions shows decomposition reactions because silver bromide is single compound, a single reactant, and it decomposes presence of sunlight and gives not only but more than one substance. So these reactions are known as decomposition reactions. Now I am going to explain one note. Decomposition reaction is the opposite of the combination reaction. Dear students, इससे पहले मैंने आपको बताया कि कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शंस में क्या होता है कि मोर देन टू सब्सटेंस आपस में कंबाइन होकर सिंगल प्रोडक्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जबकि हेयर डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन में सिंगल कंपाउंड मीन्स सिंगल रिएक्टेंट ब्रेक डाउन होकर के डिकम्पोज होकर दो या दो से ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म करते हैं. ओके, तो इट ब्रेक्स इनटू द न्यू सब्सटेंसेस. तो ये जो है रिएक्शन डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन, ये अपोजिट है कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन का. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी स्टार्ट थर्ड displacement reactions. In these reactions we can define in this way: those reactions in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound are known as displacement reaction. Dear students, यह रिएक्शन हमको ये एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है कि जब दो कंपाउंड आपस में कंबाइन होते हैं तो उसमें से एक कंपाउंड जो मोर रिएक्टिव होता है, मीन्स विच इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन अनदर कंपाउंड, मीन्स अनदर एलिमेंट. तो here, dear student, here is the zinc is more reactive and copper is the less reactive. Copper is less reactive in copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution में copper less reactive है और ये zinc जो है more reactive है than copper. तो then ये zinc जो है वो copper को क्या करता है, displace कर देगा. तो if zinc is displace copper, then copper separates out and find the separate element, means copper, and zinc also joins the sulfate solution and forms zinc sulfate. It is a aqueous solution and it is colorless solution, and copper is red brownish color. Next examples, another example, iron is the solid particles and copper sulfate is the solution, means this is also the blue solution. In this copper sulfate, copper is less reactive element and iron is more reactive than copper. Then in copper sulfate, copper is displaced by iron. Okay, then when copper displace the iron displace the copper, then it takes the place of copper and forms ferrous sulfate means iron sulfate. Okay, its color is greenish and another जो कॉपर है उसको कॉपर को सेपरेट कर दिया, सेपरेट आउट किया और इसको कॉपर सेपरेट हो गया. ओके, इन दिस रिएक्शंस इट रिप्रेजेंट्स द कॉपर इज डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय द आयरन. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, व्हेन कॉपर ऑक्साइड reacts with magnesium, it forms magnesium oxide and copper. In these reactions, dear students, in these reactions magnesium is more reactive than copper. Then here also magnesium displaces the copper. Okay, and magnesium takes the place of copper and forms magnesium oxide. And due to the less reactive element of copper, so it extracted by the magnesium and it separate out copper as copper. Dear student, now I explain. In these reactions only one element displace one another element. Here यहाँ ये समझाना चाह रहा है सेंटेंस कि इस तरह के रिएक्शंस में एक एलिमेंट दूसरे एलिमेंट को डिस्प्लेस करता है. Here हमने 3 एग्जांपल लिया. जिंक इज ऑल्सो डिस्प्लेस द कॉपर, iron is also the displace the copper, and here magnesium is also the displace the copper. Okay, and it separates out of the solution. Okay, and in these elements also join which are more reactive. Next, our next example, next reactions, double displacement reactions. Dear students, here I want to explain you in easy way those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ion to form two new compounds are called double displacement reactions. In this reaction, first of all, I will try to silver nitrate. When silver nitrate react with sodium chloride, it forms silver chloride and sodium nitrate. In this reaction, double displacement takes place. Double displacement in this way. First of all, here we study the sodium and silver. Sodium and silver. Sodium is more reactive. Sodium is more reactive than silver. Then sodium displace the silver atom or silver element. So when sodium displaces the silver, sodium takes the place of silver and also form sodium nitrate. First of all, single displacement. Here occurred the single displacement. Now, dear student, now next, silver also takes the place of sodium. And forms silver chloride. Here is the double displacement. First, sodium takes place of silver and silver also takes place of sodium. Okay. Here is the double displacement reaction, and then it forms silver chloride. It is the white precipitate, and sodium nitrate is also solution or aqueous. Dear students, next, when copper sulfate reacts with hydrogen sulfide, it forms copper sulfide and sulfuric acid. Dear student, here we study the copper and hydrogen. Here the hydrogen is the more reactive than copper. Then hydrogen displace the copper, and also this is the single displacement. But when copper displaced by the hydrogen, then it takes the position of hydrogen. Okay, this reaction shows the double displacement reaction. This reaction shows the double displacement of reaction. Okay, then it forms, when copper is displaced by the hydrogen, it takes the place of copper in copper sulfate. So then it forms, hydrogen takes place the copper, so then it forms hydrogen sulfate. And when copper takes the position of hydrogen, it forms copper sulfide. Copper sulfide is a black colored solid substance which found in a solution. Solution means this is the black precipitate. It forms black precipitate. Next example, lead nitrate. When lead nitrate reacts with the potassium iodide, it forms lead iodide का येलो प्रेसिपिटेट फाउंड करता है, एंड पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट एक्वस सॉल्यूशन फाइंड होता है. तो हियर इज वी ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन कि हाउ पोटेशियम एंड lead react with each other, means displace each other. Here potassium is the most reactive element. So it displaces the lead, and lead also takes the position of potassium when potassium release from it. यहां से जब वो हटता है तो उसका पोजीशन लेड जो है ऑटोमेटिक उसको कवर करता है, और पहले ये डिस्प्लेस करता है किसको, लेड को. तो यहां बन जाएगा पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट इज फॉर्म्ड. ओके, बिकॉज पोटेशियम टेक्स प्लेस ऑफ लेड. ओके, इन नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड reacts with hydrochloric acid, then it forms sodium chloride solution, and it forms water as liquid. Dear students, this reaction is also known as neutralization reaction, but here also occurred double displacement reaction. So I have taken this example to show the double displacement reaction. Here sodium and hydrogen. Here hydrogen displace and sodium. So here sodium displace the hydrogen, and hydrogen also displaced by the sodium, and it's take the place of sodium. Then sodium reacts with chlorine and forms sodium chloride. and also hydrogen takes the place of hydroxide and is formed water. This reaction shows the double displacement reactions. Dear students, now I am trying to explain one extra topic, precipitation. Any reactions in which an insoluble solid, any reactions, कोई भी रिएक्शन, चाहे यहां कोई भी रिएक्शन आप ले लीजिए, इन किसी भी रिएक्शंस में इनसोल्यूबल सॉलिड जो फाइंड होता है, जिसको हम लोग प्रेसिपिटेट कहते हैं, आपने देखा इस रिएक्शन में भी, इस रिएक्शन में भी, इसमें भी हमने शो किया है, ठीक है। तो ये जो प्रेसिपिटेट जो सॉलिड मटेरियल्स जो फाइंड होता है किसी सॉल्यूशन में, ठीक है ना, इसको हम लोग प्रेसिपिटेट मींस इसको प्रेसिपिटेशन कहते हैं। तो इनसोल्यूबल सॉलिड इज फॉर्म्ड दैट सेपरेट्स फ्रॉम द सॉल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड अ प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शन। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर आपको जो भी ये मटेरियल यहाँ फाइंड होता है, इसको हम लोग इस प्रोसेस को प्रेसिपिटेशन कहते हैं, और जो मटेरियल फाइंड होता है उसे हम लोग प्रेसिपिटेट कहते हैं, और ये प्रेसिपिटेट इन सॉलिड फॉर्म में होता है। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, ठीक है, तो इसे लाइक शेयर जरूर करें, ठीक है, और अपने इसको सब्सक्राइब भी करना न भूलें।